Watch this. This black and white photo was taken over 70 years ago, and with just one click, I brought it to life with color, using a free AI tool. No Photoshop, no apps, no skills needed. Just drag, drop, and BOOM history comes alive. Let me show you how to do this in seconds. Why this is amazing. Imagine colorizing your grandparents' wedding photo, or an old childhood memory that's been stuck in black and white forever. With this AI tool called Hotpot.ai, you can automatically add realistic color to old photos without installing anything. It's perfect for sharing emotional stories, upgrading your family albums, or even for viral content. Step-by-step tutorials. Step 1. Open the tool first. Head over to hotpot.ai/colorize picture. I'll drop the link in the description below. You'll land on a page that says Colorize Picture. Step 2. Upload. Your black and white photo. Click Upload and select your black and white photo. It can be anything, a historical figure, your parents' photo, or even a black and white art piece. Step 3. Let the AI work. Once uploaded, you can adjust the color of the image, and the free version you can use it for limited options but can still use it for daily free credits. Now, Hotpot will automatically start processing your image. In a few seconds, you'll see a side-by-side comparison: original on the left, colorized on the right. With the colorized image, you can see more options like for download, editing further, and even resize with some limitations within the free version. Step 4. Download it. If you're happy with the result, hit the download button. It's free for daily credits. You can see two options: commercial use and non-commercial use. In a day, you can colorize up to 2 images with commercial use, but if you need more, then I would recommend their paid version. You can colorize multiple photos per day without needing an account. Optional, adjust settings if you want better results. You can tweak the AI settings or try different photos. Results may vary depending on image quality and lighting. Tips plus ideas: use this for school projects, documentaries, or family trees. Try famous black and white images from history. People love before and after transformations. You can even combine this tool with other AI upscalers to create HD color portraits. You found this helpful? Smash that like button and subscribe for more AI tools that save time and money. I cover free tools that turn old memories into magic. No apps, no skills, just results. Comment below with your results or questions. And hey, go impress your grandparents with their new color photos.